YouTube TV, which is a subscription-based streaming service which offers live TV from major cable networks, giving you access to sports, news, entertainment channels, recently announced that they're going to increase their monthly price from $73 to $83. I mean, that's a lot of money to pay for a subscription service. I mean, it does give you access to about 100 channels, but nobody likes the price increase. But there is an easy trick that you can follow to keep your current price for the next 6 months. I mean, here we can see I'm accessing it on my device. I can see sports content, I can see movie content, lots of VOD stuff. It does work well, but how can we avoid paying that extra £10 per month and continue using this service? Well, as reported a few days ago by Streamable, that you can actually go through the process of cancelling your service, and when it asks you why do you want to cancel, if you select the option due to costs, you'll actually see an option giving you the ability to carry on your subscription at the previous price. So to start this process, you have to firstly use a desktop computer. So you can't do this from a phone or a cell phone. You log into your YouTube TV account. You then go through the motions of cancelling that account. And when it asks you that, why do you want to cancel this subscription? You select the option that the cost is the reason. Now, when you select that option, you'll then see a prompt asking you that you can actually lock in your old price of $73 for the next 6 months. So basically like a small incentive to keep you with the service so you don't jump ship. And many people have reported success with this process, both on Twitter. You can see here that when they clicked on the option that I'm cancelling this service because of the cost, they then saw this box here which says, so you can now stay and save $60 because you can get the base plan for $72.99 for the next 6 months. Then after it will go back to $82.99. So an easy way to lock in the current price. So whilst you're looking for other options or exploring other IPTV providers, you can stay at the $72.99 price and avoid paying that extra cost. So do leave me a comment below if you use the YouTube TV service and if you are going to take advantage of this easy method on how you can keep the older $72.99 price. I mean, it does still sound like a very expensive price, but for the people that were happy paying it, you can now keep on paying it for another or for a further 6 months. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I know some of you do subscribe to this YouTube TV service, and I know lots of you will be very frustrated or very angry with this price hike. Hopefully you can now use the process shown in this video and keep the older price for a further 6 months. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video with other YouTube TV users, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.